Alright, so this is to help show you how to do a t-test and ANOVA in Google Sheets. Now, I really encourage you, try your hardest to get this add-on called XL Miner toolpak. If you can do that, that will make everything a lot easier. So try to either log in on a computer that's not associated with the school district and see if you can get the XL Miner analysis toolpak. That'll, like I said, it'll make it a lot easier. And let me show you. I'm going to first show you how to do it using the toolpak. First ANOVA and then t-test. So ANOVA is when you have more than two groups. So you can see here in my sample experiment, I have a control group, and then I have a group of plants where I had 10 seeds, 10 plants growing in some soil, just regular soil. Then I had 10 plants growing, say, in another pot that I added 1 teaspoon of coffee to, and then I had another pot where I had 10 plants and they were growing in 2 teaspoons of coffee. So as you can see, I'm testing how does increasing the amount of coffee that I give to the plants affect their growth. So I want to basically see if there's a significant difference between the average growth of each of those groups. So I'm going to go, once I opened up XL Miner toolpak, going to open up ANOVA single factor and then click in the input range, and that's when I go to my data and I'm going to highlight all of the numbers plus the labels at the top, because that'll make it easier to analyze later on. You don't have to highlight the plant stuff, just everything you see in blue. Make sure you click labels in first row. I do need to give an output range, so I'm just going to go down here. I'm going to click underneath. Let's see. My input range changed, so hold on. Let me click back in input range, reselect. For some reason it's not. Let me restart that. Something didn't go right. So go to add-ons, XL Miner toolpak, ANOVA single factor, highlight my data, then click input range, and there it says C4 through E14. So I'm just double check. Yeah, that looks good. Labels in first row, and then if I click down here now. Yeah, click underneath, then click output range, and it'll put it out in C16, which is right underneath. So that looks good. The input range is correct, and the I got the labels, the output range is there, and then I just click OK. And then it computes everything I need, and this is, you would copy and paste this into your final document, your IA lab, all right, under the data analysis section. This is really important. You want to show IB that you have this. So you can see that the average for the groups, I averaged almost 11 millimeters of growth in the control, and then 15 almost in the 1 teaspoon of coffee, and then almost 17 millimeters of growth in the 2 teaspoons. So that's a pretty good increase, right? We see a steady increase in the growth for those 3 groups. But the main thing we want to look at is the p-value down here. And oh, look at that p-value. It looks, since what you're looking for your p-value, is it less than 0.05? If your p-value is less than 0.05, you have significant differences between the averages of your groups. So what we see there is your p-value is a lot less than 0.05. So here you would say there is a significant difference between the groups, and therefore coffee has a significant impact on the growth of your plants, whether it's radishes or mung beans. And also this would make you reject the null hypothesis that there is no difference. So you will reject that coffee, I'll say, does not have an impact and then if you reject the null hypothesis, I accept the alternative hypothesis that coffee does have an impact on plant growth or radish growth. All right, so that is how you calculate ANOVA using Google Sheets if you have XL Miner tool pack.